Hey, let me show you another one of Python's sneaky little traps. It looks simple, but it can blow up your code with an error that makes no sense, at least at first. Let's say you've got a list, 1, 2, 3, and you want to unpack it like this. We'll assign our list to the variables a and b. And let's add a print to see what we've got. By the way, this style of print, where Python shows both a variable name and its value, is called f-string debugging syntax. It's a neat little trick, and if you've never used it before, I've got a quick video on it. Alright, back to the code. Seems fine, right? But you hit run, and you get an error message. Value error, too many errors to unpack. So we've upset Python. Alright, let's flip it. This time our list will consist of 1 and 2. And we'll assign that to 3 variables, a, b, and my personal favorite, c. And now you get value error, not enough values to unpack. Alright Python, it's either too much or never enough. So what's going on? When you do something like assign the variables a and b to a list like 1, 2, and 3, Python expects the number of variables on the left to exactly match the number of values on the right. Too many values? Error. Not enough values? Also an error. No guessing, no skipping, no filling in blanks. It's a strict one-to-one matchup. This rule applies to whether you're unpacking lists, tuples, sets, or even a function that returns multiple values. So to be clear, this works. We assign 2 variables a and b to a list with 2 items. However, this doesn't work. A and b assigned to a list with 3 items. And neither does this. A, b, and my personal favorite c assigned to a list with 2 items. Great, so how do you fix this? Let's go back to that longer list with 3 values, 1, 2, and 3. If you still want to unpack it, but don't know how many values you'll get, you can use the star operator. Check this out. We assign our list with 3 values to a, b, and the variable called rest with the star operator. And the result? A is 1, b is 2, and rest is a list with 1 element, in this case 3. Python takes whatever's left over and bundles it into the list called rest. It's called starred unpacking and it's super handy. But what if there are no extras like this? A is 1, b is 2, and my BFF C is just an empty list. No crash, no error, it still works. Another option just to keep things interesting, you can slice the list. So what's going on here? That bracket colon 2 is called slicing. It says give me everything from the start up to but not including index 2. So it grabs the first 2 elements. Then we're unpacking those 2 values into a and b. But most of the time, star rest is the cleanest fix when your list might grow or shrink. So yeah, Python unpacking looks simple, but it's one of those spots where Python really means what it says. You give me 3 variables, I better get 3 values, unless you use the star. If this saved you from a crash or explained a bug that's been haunting you for hours, you'll definitely want to check out my next video on mutable default arguments. That one trips up even experienced Python devs. It's sneaky, just like this. And if you've ever had a list unpacking fail on you, then drop a like to let everyone know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.